Have you ever bought a product that was so good, you really enjoyed the product, and because of that you started telling people about the product, and a lot of people, because of you or because they saw you using that product, decided to buy that product? If you have ever done this kind of stuff before, you have found yourself in this situation, trust me, you've done affiliate marketing. The only difference is you did affiliate marketing without making money out of it, right? So basically, affiliate marketing is you promoting products that you are not the creator, you do not create this product, you do not own this product, you are not connected to the company directly, but you promote this product to other people, and when they see the product, they like the way you promote it and stuff, they decide to buy the product because of you, right? The only difference is you are making money doing this. That is basically what affiliate marketing is about. So in affiliate marketing, there is a company, a manufacturer that have a product, there is you, the person that is marketing the product. You are not connected to this company, you are just an individual marketing the product. They call you the affiliate marketer, and we have a lot of people that are out there that need this product. They might not know that this is the particular product they need. You are just convincing them, trying to sell this good product to them that will solve their problem, and they are giving you money back in return. That is the summary of what affiliate marketing is about. Now in affiliate marketing, there is what we call commission. Commission simply means the amount of money you get for referring somebody to buy a product, right? They call that commission, and commission most of the time starts from 50% and above. So on affiliate marketing, you can get a commission of 50% for every sale you make, and you can even get as high as up to 70% or even 90%. I've done products that they give me 70% per sale for every sale I make. Now the difference between you as an affiliate marketer and a regular marketer is there are a lot of marketers that go out there, they go in buses trying to explain, they hawk the product and try to explain to people to buy those products, blah 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 blah. You are just sitting in the comfort of your home, in the front of your computer or your mobile phone, and you are just selling this product, answering people's questions, and they are buying the product. You are making money out of it. Affiliate marketing is one of the best and the biggest ways people have been making money online from time immemorial. I've made 7 figures on affiliate marketing in Naira, and it is something I recommend to people all the time, because you can never go wrong with affiliate marketing if you can only learn the skills. So in today's video, I'll be talking about 7 things you must do as an affiliate marketer or to begin your affiliate marketing journey, right? If you're watching this channel, that means you are enjoying this video so far. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you don't know me, my name is Alpha Wolf. I teach people how to make money online because I've been in this game for a while. I share knowledge, I give valuable content, and I try to inspire and encourage you to do things I've done. This video is particularly for you, right? So you're very much welcome to this family. So without further ado, let's talk about the 7 important steps you need to take for you to become an affiliate marketer. Number 1, you need to decide a platform, right? This simply means that you need to pick a social media platform where you would focus your affiliate marketing on. There are a lot of social media platforms, and on every social media platform you can make money in affiliate marketing if you have the right skills, right? So a lot of people pick Facebook, some pick Twitter, some pick Instagram, some pick TikTok, some pick LinkedIn, some pick YouTube. I've made a lot of money on YouTube. Some people I know prefer to use Facebook. Some people like Instagram so much. There are a lot of social media platforms. The thing is, you need to pick one that you know you are very good on this platform, you know how to push traffic to yourself, or you already have traffic to yourself. A lot of you are Facebook celebrities, like people follow you on Facebook, you know how to entertain them and interest them, right? So you can pick a social media platform that suits your nature, your personality, and begin to promote affiliate marketing there. So I'm going to go to the next one. When you pick a social media platform that you want to use for affiliate marketing, the second thing which is very important in the affiliate marketing space is you need to find a niche. Find yourself a niche. What is a niche? A niche is simply an area of focus of products you want to sell, you want to promote, an area of focus that you want to promote products from. If not, you'll be promoting different kinds of products. For those of you that do not understand the word niche, the spelling is N-I-C-H-E. You can check that on Google. It simply means you categorizing the area you want to promote your product from. Now in the affiliate marketing space, there are a lot of products you can promote, and these products are based on human needs and various stuff that sell. For example, we have the health niche, the wealth niche, the relationship niche, we have the spirituality niche, we have the make money online niche, business niche, investment niche, do it yourself niche, self-help niche, education niche. So many niches are out there that there are different products you can sell in the affiliate marketing space. You need to know the one that works for you. But it's very important for me to also inform you that among all these niches, there are 3 niches that affiliate marketers see that they are the biggest, the most popular niche, and like the ones that people would always sell. You know, the ones that it is easy for you to promote products on. These 3 niches are called health, wealth, and relationship. The reason is because people will pay money for anything that is going to solve their health issues. Number 2, people are ready to give money to learn how to make money, or to, you know, improve their standard of living, to make more money. And number 3, relationship. When people are in relationship, they are in love, they are emotional, they will always want to spend money to keep their relationship intact. For example, people can go any length to want to, you know, surprise their loved ones, their love partners and stuff like that. So you need to find yourself the niche that works for you. You don't necessarily need to be under health, wealth, and relationship, but pick something that works for you. For example, I am always in the niche of how to make money online, because that is something I know how to do well, and you know, it is just the niche I'm building my brand on. So just pick the one that works for you, and if you do that, then we'll move to step 3. Step 3, you need to find an affiliate program to join. For you to become an affiliate marketer, you need affiliate products. For you to have affiliate products, you need to join an affiliate program. Affiliate program are simply platforms or websites where you can have access to a lot of affiliate products to promote. There are many platforms on the internet where you have a lot of affiliate products to promote, and I'm going to be mentioning a couple of them to you. Irrespective of the place you find yourself in the world, there is an affiliate marketing platform that you can promote products from. For example, we have ClickBank, JVZoo, Max Bounty, Nutri Profit. These are popular affiliate marketing platforms that are all over the world. You can create accounts on, but unfortunately Nigerians are not allowed on ClickBank for some reasons, and I wouldn't want to talk about that. However, I have been promoting products on ClickBank for over I think 4 years now, and I've been making money from ClickBank. There are ways we go around this stuff, but if you cannot create a ClickBank account, it is not a big deal. There are other affiliate marketing platforms you can start from, right? So let me just give you guys more affiliate marketing platforms you can also check out. There is Share a Sale, there is Impact, there's also Expertner in Nigeria. There's Expertner in Nigeria, but the issue I have with Expertner is for you to create an affiliate marketing account on Expertner, you need to pay money to sign up. However, there is a new platform that I made a video on that you can actually start affiliate marketing in Nigeria on without spending one dime. I'm going to put the link in the description. The name of that platform is called Stake Cut. Now, if you want to go on to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'll put a link in the description where you can get a premium affiliate marketing course that's going to open your eyes to this world of making money online, that you can learn everything, the rudiments, step by step of affiliate marketing without any stress. This is very good for total novice and beginners. So this leads me to step 4. You need to create great content. Like I told you in step 1, I said in step 1 you need to decide a platform. So if probably you pick Facebook, then you need to create great content on Facebook that will make people want to buy your product. Now, your content can be review content. Maybe you review the product, or you write stories, compelling and interesting stories about something that happened to you and how you got the product that would make people want to buy that product. You can even go on to write ad copy if you have copywriting skills, so that people would see the product, the functionality of the product, and want to buy that particular product. So the most important thing is for you to create great content on any social media platform that you are that would compel people to want to buy the product. After finishing number 4, which is creating great content, the next thing you need to do is for you to get traffic. There is nothing you can do on affiliate marketing if you don't have traffic. Traffic simply means people visiting whatever you have written, people clicking to read whatever you have written, right? So what you need to do is to get traffic, and one of the ways to get traffic if you don't have a lot of followers is for you to take that article you have written, share it on various social media platforms. So you can write your article on Facebook and put the link on your WhatsApp status profile, or share to people on your WhatsApp so that they can read that article, or you can share it on Twitter. You can do various things to make sure people see the article, because more visibility increases people clicking to your article, and it could increase your engagement, right? Now, after people read through your article, there should be a place where you put your link, right? And the next thing you need to do as an affiliate marketer, which leads us to step 6. So number 6 is to get clicks on your affiliate link. Like, what is the essence of writing an article, putting your affiliate link, and people are not clicking through to buy? The truth is, the beginning and the end of this process is for you to make sale, and the way you can make sale is when people read something interesting, click your link, and are exposed to the product. So you need to make sure that you give them quality content and encourage people. Just make sure everything works so that people can click your affiliate links, right? So number 6 is to get clicks on your affiliate links, because when people click through your affiliate links, it means they are curious, they are interested about the product and stuff like that, which leads us to step number 7. The more clicks you get on your affiliate links, then you can begin to convert clicks to sales. Convert clicks to sales. When people click on the link and they begin to buy that product, then you can call yourself an affiliate marketer. This is the summary of everything affiliate marketing is about. So affiliate marketing basically is you going on a platform, taking a product that you believe people want to buy, promoting those products to people, creating content around that product, making people click on that product and buying that product. And the only way you can do this is for you to provide valuable content and for you to be strategic, right? So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, as a beginner, I'm going to put a link in the description for a full course that will teach you the whole process of affiliate marketing. And you can subscribe to this channel, because I'll continue to talk about affiliate marketing, teach affiliate marketing practically, show you guys step by step how I do this and how I make money of this, and you guys can continue to grow with me, because I love you all and you all are amazing. If you watch this video from beginning to the end and this video resonates with you, you have a lot of questions you want to ask concerning affiliate marketing, there's anything I said in the video that you are not clear, you need clarity on, you want to begin your affiliate marketing journey, leave that question in the comment section. If you want to leave a thank you note, that would be so nice of you. I really enjoy that. Leave that in the comment section. I'm going to do it to answer each and every one of you, your questions personally, right? I'm very happy to have you guys here. I love you all. I want to see us grow and make money. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting and engaging content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And please make sure you like this video to help my algorithm. You share this video. I love you all. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.